guys, welcome to Silver Lake Honey channel. Today we're requeening some of our hives. I'm going to show you the procedure how we do that. There are many reasons to requeen the hive. Some of them might be if the queen is damaged, if the queen is old, or the queen is killed, or when we are making splits, and many other reasons. Today's reason is we have older queen. This is her 3rd year. She's marked with a white dot. She is laying spotty brood pattern, is not uniform, and there's not a whole lot of bees. They're in 2 boxes, so we're going to reduce them to 1 box. Remove the old queen, and I'm going to give you a tip what to do with old queens. Don't just kill them and dispose them. I'm going to give you the tip what we do with those queens. So let's go and requeen our hive. We need to find the old queen first. She's marked with a white dot, a couple of years old. She survived a couple of winters, and she did pretty good. You know, she made us a lot of honey and carried the bees through the winter, but I've noticed a spotty brood pattern, not uniformed, and I need to replace her. So I think she's in the bottom box. As you can see, not a whole lot of bees. Okay, see, here's the old queen right here with the white dot all worn out. So she's pretty old queen. This is her 3rd year, and she was really a good queen, but as you can see, the pattern is not great, and she's still laying, but not uniform pattern. So that's the reason we want to replace her. The tip that I want to give you is not to kill and dispose the queen. I always, when I replace the queens, I take the old queen and I kill her, and then I put her in a rubbing alcohol. You can see, and I add a few drops of lemongrass oil, and this makes excellent swarm lure. You use a Q-tip and you smash the queen and her pheromones in this alcohol, add few drops of lemongrass oil, dip the Q-tip on both ends, and then put it in your swarm box, and this makes really great swarm lure. So the next thing what we're going to do is introduce a new queen, and also we're going to reduce the size of the box all to 1 box. Introduce a mated this year's queen. We're going to introduce her between the frames into our box. Many beekeepers suggest to wait a few hours before you introduce the new queen, and even next day, 24 hours. You can do that too, but to avoid them to release the queen too quickly and killing the queen, I'm adding a piece of the tape painter's painter's tape over the candy plug. This will give us extra day for to release for the bees to release the queen. So what we do is simply put the tape over our candy plug. This is the slow release candy that bees will eat the candy and slowly release the queen in a few days. But when we put the tape, this gives us extra day. So I put the tape over the candy plug and then poke a few holes in the tape like that, and they will chew through this tape and then eat the candy and slowly release the queen. So the way I put the queen is okay, let's find two more. You can hear them humming right now. So it's been a few minutes. And they already know they're queenless. So I don't think even the tape thing is necessary, but I just want to do it as a precaution. So what I do is I put the candy side down, right in between the frames, and then press frame next to each other. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for about a week and then come back and see if the queen has been released.